Silence rules here long before sound can arrive. The ground lies exposed beneath an endless sky, stripped of softness, stripped of mercy. This is the Atacama core, a place where rain forgets how to fall. Some weather stations wait decades without a single drop, recording zero as if time itself has stopped breathing. The earth is naked. Salt crusts shimmer like frozen oceans. Volcanic scars stretch toward the horizon, remnants of fire that once reshaped continents. Beneath each step, minerals crystallize slowly, untouched by water, preserved for millions of years. This land has not eroded. It has endured. The air is thin, clean, unforgiving. Moisture evaporates before it can exist. Clouds dissolve in the sky, teasing the ground below. The desert stands between two giants, the cold Pacific current starving the air of humidity, and the Andes rising like a wall, stealing rain before it can cross. Trapped in between, the Atacama becomes absolute dryness, a climate engineered by the planet itself. Daylight arrives brutally. The sun burns without reflection, carving sharp shadows into stone. Temperatures soar, yet the ground remains lifeless, refusing heat the way it refuses water. At night, the desert collapses into cold. Stars explode across the sky, unfiltered, ancient, close enough to feel dangerous. The universe feels nearer here, as if the desert is an extension of space itself. Life survives only by rewriting the rules. Microbes hide inside salt crystals, feeding on mist invisible to human eyes. Bacteria lie dormant for centuries, waiting for a molecule of water that may never come. Insects move like ghosts, appearing only when conditions briefly allow existence. Even death is patient here. Bones do not decay. Mummified remains rest exactly where time abandoned them. Textiles, wood, skin, preserved not by intention but by emptiness. The desert does not erase history, it suspends it. Every footprint lasts longer than memory. Every mistake becomes permanent. Beneath the surface, chemistry replaces biology. Nitrates, sulfates, and perchlorates coat the soil, identical to compounds found on Mars. Scientists come not to study Earth, but to practice leaving it. Rovers test their endurance here. Instruments search for life where life should not be. The Atacama becomes a mirror, reflecting other worlds back at us. Volcanoes loom in the distance, ancient and silent, their slopes dusted with ash older than civilization. Lava once flowed here, mixing fire with dryness, creating landscapes that feel unfinished, raw, exposed. The ground crunches underfoot like glass, each step echoing across nothingness. Occasionally, impossibly, the desert blooms. A rare alignment of ocean warmth and atmospheric shift delivers rain. Seeds awaken from decades of sleep. Color explodes across the sand in a violent, brief rebellion against emptiness. Flowers rise, live, and vanish within weeks. The desert allows beauty only as a reminder of how fragile it is. Wind sculpts everything. It sharpens rocks into blades. It strips mountains grain by grain. It carries dust across continents, feeding oceans thousands of kilometers away. Even in stillness, the Atacama is moving, slowly rearranging the planet one particle at a time. This place does not invite humans. It tests them. Breath dries, skin cracks. Thirst arrives quietly, then suddenly becomes everything. Navigation fails as distance loses meaning. The desert offers no landmarks, no comfort, no forgiveness. It demands awareness, humility, restraint. Yet there is clarity here. Stripped of noise, stripped of excess, the mind quiets. The desert does not distract, it reveals. Standing in the Atacama core, surrounded by ancient salt and infinite sky, humanity feels small, but not insignificant. Just temporary. This is the driest place ever measured, a landscape defined not by what it has, but by what it denies. Water, decay, mercy. And in that denial, it tells the planet's oldest truth. Life survives not because conditions are kind, but because existence refuses to surrender. The Atacama does not care if we understand it. It will remain dry and silent, long after footprints fade elsewhere. A reminder that the Earth can exist without us, and has done so beautifully before.